friends, welcome to CK Video. Here's an aftermarket GPS DVD player for Toyota Sienna from 2011 to 2014. This unit has latest Win 6 operation system and 1GB CPU with 1GB RAM. Let's check out the great functions in it. You can listen to news, pop music, or classic songs by radio function. It supports band AM and FM. And it has AF and TA function. You can enjoy radio in stereo status. The GPS navigation system can locate your position and show you detailed information in a 3D map. You will never get lost with this function. It has CSR Bluetooth driver. You can dial numbers on the screen directly. You can also answer calls on the screen. Download phone book. And listen to music from your phone. The DVD player has auto memory and anti-shock protection. It supports DVD, VCD, CD, DIVX format, and 1080p HD video. It supports iPod music. You can connect an iPod or iPhone to it by an iPod cable and enjoy songs from it. You can enjoy MIDI files from external devices via USB port and SD card slot. You can enjoy music freely. You can also enjoy HD videos and photos by this function. Now we come to the setting interface. You can set wallpaper, languages, audio, time, and so on.